moment था मेरे लिए, because मेरा hard work hasn't been in weeks, days or months. It's been in years. It's been like I started dreaming of this Miss Universe especially since 5 to 6 years back, and it's been 6 years, hard work of 6 years for me. So वो काफ़ी emotional था, काफ़ी failed attempts भी रहे हैं. So मुझे वो सारी चीज़ें याद आ रही थी crowning के वक्त. So that is what made me emotional.
एंड तीनों से जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि अगर इंडिया के लिए आप लोगों को कुछ करने का मौका मिले तो क्या कुछ करना चाहेंगे? वो ऐसा कौन सा काम जो आप लोग हिंदुस्तान के लिए करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक पहली बात तो ये बहुत हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि एट अ वेरी यंग एज वी गेट टू रिप्रेजेंट आवर कंट्री एंड स्पीक अबाउट इट. वी हैव अ वॉइस नाउ, और जिसे आई एम श्योर हम तीनों बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यूज़ करना चाहेंगे. इंडिया इज़ डूइंग ग्रेट. We are working towards every aspect that we need to, but we get the opportunity to just give it a little bit of a push. The topics that I would personally want to speak about will be for disabled children, as I already work with kids with mental retardation, autism and Down syndrome. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हमें उन्हें और ज़्यादा अपनी सोसाइटी में इनकलकेट करने की ज़रूरत है. Definitely women safety, already हम लोग उसकी तरफ काम कर रहे हैं. बट अगर हम एक वर्ड उसकी तरफ पुट इन कर सकते हैं, दैट विल बी ग्रेट. पॉलिटिक्स, डेफिनेटली वी कैन स्पीक अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स, वी कैन स्पीक अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एवरीथिंग. आई थिंक वी डू गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू स्पीक अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स.
So मेरे लिए अभी फ़िलहाल मेरा फोकस जो है वो मिस यूनिवर्स में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो आई वुड रियली वांट टू गेट दैट ग्लोरी बैक टू माय नेशन बाय विनिंग इट और गेटिंग द हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट एट एन इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट. बिसाइड्स दैट, अगर मुझसे आप जानना चाहो कि मैं देश के लिए क्या करना चाहूँगी, तो मैं एक एस्पिरेंट हूँ टू बी इनटू इंडियन पुलिस सर्विसेज, टू सर्व माय सोसाइटी, टू सर्व माय नेशन. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इन माय लाइफ. थैंक यू.
मैडम, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
My cause has always been associated with the mental health, because मेरी नानी, मेरी दादी, I've seen them going through several mental disorder. So I think अभी यहाँ पे हमको जो opportunity मिली है, ये बहुत बड़ी opportunity है, और हम लोग यहाँ पे आके represent कर सकते हैं. बात इंडिया में जब इंडिया को represent करेंगे, तो I think we would be the voice of the whole nation, and I would want people to come out and talk about the mental disorder. Because I feel that 1 in 4 people today, they are suffering from mental disorder, but they are not ready to speak about it. So I think I would really want people to come out of their shelves and talk about it.
And yes.
एक मुझे ये भी कहना है that I'm very proud that we as Indians are able to represent our country greatly in sports. And one more thing that if we get the chance to speak about, we'll be giving them more importance so that they can have a better training. India has a lot of potential. We are the country that has the maximum amount of youth, and we are smart, you know, we can do so much out of it, not only in technology but also in sports. So maybe more sponsorships for them will be great.
And my question is both of you, क्योंकि ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है आप लोगों को, ये रास्ता कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड की तरफ भी जाता है. हमने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है, लाइक सुष्मिता सेन, ऐश्वर्या, लारा दत्ता. तो इन फ्यूचर हम आप लोगों को भी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में देखेंगे, लाइक एक्टिंग फिल्म में.
काफ़ी सारी ब्यूटी क्वींस की, देखो हमारे सबके अपने अपने सपने होते हैं. किसी को एक्टर बनना होता है, किसी को मॉडल बनना होता है, किसी को इंटरनेशनली जाना होता है, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनना होता है. पर्सनली व्हेन इट कम्स टू मी, आई एम नॉट रियली ड्रीमिंग टू बी एन एक्ट्रेस. मेरे लिए हमेशा से पुलिस सर्विसेज में रहना ही मेरा गोल रहा है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू.
I think for me, I've been a model for the last 2 years, and it's been a great journey. Throughout this process, मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत पसंद है, जो है the whole creative process of the Hindi cinema. Not only Hindi cinema के आगे पर्दे के पीछे भी जो चीज़ें चलती हैं, वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा attract करती हैं, आकर्षित करती हैं. तो I think if given the right opportunities, definitely I would want to go ahead with this, strive for it. And if not, then definitely there are so many things that a girl can aspire for. एक beauty pageant में आना, you get to speak about a lot of things. You probably get to represent your country, but that is not the only thing, you know. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to open up a fashion house. She wants to be in police, you know. And I really hope that even after all of this, despite all of this, we are able to concentrate on what we dream for and aspire for.
I there's this kind of stigma attached to beauty pageants that it is a kind of stepping stone to the Bollywood. But for me, it's a totally different scenario. Because I'm glad that I'm getting an opportunity to represent India at Miss Supranational. But after this, I would definitely want to pursue my postgrads in luxury brand management. Because I think education is something that would make your base and that would make a better society. So yes, I would definitely go for my education first. But I would like to mention that I'm always open to the opportunities. If it would come to my way, something interesting would come to my way, I would definitely like to go and break my comfort zone. So yes, I would not mind trying my acting skills as well.
Okay, one last question from my side. Your favorite hero, and अगर आप लोग बता सके, favorite hero?
My favorite hero is Salman Khan.
Any particular reason?
I think he's very genuine. Also, I like the fact that he's a charitable person. Every time, like whatever, out of whatever earnings he do, that he gives a part of it to the charity, and that is something we need today in the society. So I think for the good human being that he is, I really like him.
वो आपका इंटरव्यू देखेंगे जरूर। नेहा जी?
जी मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर काफ़ी टाइम से यही रहे हैं अमिताभ बच्चन जी. So one reason why I really admire him is that we know the fact he's been through a lot of struggles in life, and after almost a decade after he's come up, so that is why I admire him a lot, and I kind of find myself similar to him. After a lot of failures, I'm here today. So I'm really happy about the same. Besides that, of course, his acting skills, we have no words to define. So yeah.
For me, I really like people who have a lot of wit, who can speak really well. इसीलिए मैं एक हीरो का नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगी, but definitely Shah Rukh Khan for his wit, Amitabh Bachchan for his dedication. Ranveer Singh is doing so well. I am a big fan. I think he has come up so well, and his his acting in all the movies has been so different from each other and so beautifully portrayed. So all of them, yes.
Hi, Neha, this question is for you from the pageant buzz. The question is, how can young women and girls get inspired from your journey to this crown? Please elaborate so that the world knows about your dedication.
I'm so grateful to Pageant Buzz for asking me this question. This opens a link towards telling something to all of you that a few years back, that is 2 years back, I used to be a little bit on heavier side. हमारे language में अगर हम कह दें तो मैं काफ़ी मोटी थी, which I knew wouldn't take me towards my journey. तो मैं 3 महीने में around 20 kilos weight loss करके एक transformation करके एक completely नए human में evolve होके यहाँ पर हूँ आज. So that has been inspiring a lot of women, not only women but everyone out there. And I feel my fitness stream is going to inspire a lot of people and influence them, which I really want to, because as I said yesterday, fitness is kind of a narrow concept in India, and I really want to influence and empower people towards it, to be fit, because of course I support Hum Fit to India Fit.
Alright, this question is for you, Roshni from Ritika. She asked, what's next for you, Roshni, after this crown? What next?
अभी तो feeling ही नहीं sink in हुई है, honestly, for the first thing. But yes, definitely we have a lot of responsibilities on our head. जैसे अभी हम कल ही crown हुए and here for the press conference to be able to clear out our views on a lot of things and be able to interact with all of you. So this will go on for a few weeks, and then let's see what opportunity knocks my door. But definitely I want to speak about a lot of things in the first place. You know, I think I do have a power to address to a lot of issues that have not been given so much of importance in the past. That is something that I really aim for. Other than that, professionally, देखते हैं क्या होता है अभी.
This question is for you, Aditi, from Global Pageant Hub. The question is, India has won Miss Supranational twice. How much excited or nervous are you to bring the third crown to India?
Thank you for this beautiful question, but definitely I'm getting jitters already because I am actually representing whole nation there, And I'm quite excited for the fact that I would be called India there. That has been my biggest dream for like since childhood. But yes, I am really looking forward to my new journey, and I wish I could get that title once again with India for the third time.
Perfect. The last question, Nehal, I actually saw you.
यूनिवर्स यहाँ से इंडिया की तरफ से जाने वाली हैं, तो डेमी से कुछ टिप्स लेने वाली हैं क्योंकि मिस यूनिवर्स आपके बाजू में बैठी हैं, तो you say something?
डेमी जी से मेरी कल काफ़ी बातें हो चुकी है. So the question that he's asking is what tips are you going to ask from Demi for winning Miss Universe? So I'm answering that I've already known a lot about from her yesterday, and yes, of course, मेरी conversation उनसे होती रहेगी. I'll keep having conversations with you regarding what can I do to make my nation proud in Miss Universe.
And Demi, you like India because you came
Of
here.
course, it's my first time. Yeah, in South Africa we have a really big Indian culture, and I am familiar with a lot of the food and spices over here. So it was definitely very welcoming, and saw a little bit of my home ground over here. So it's been wonderful.
Demi had today been to Gateway of India in our very own Mumbai. So Demi, would you like to let our people know like how was your experience there?
Tell us little about.
Yeah, I always love learning about the history of the country. Of course, it played big part, big significant role in part of India's history and just what it's all about. And to be able to see it and appreciate it, and it's been great. Got my selfie, so I wish you could have gone with, but you
wish
had a
I
busy
could, yeah.
morning, right?
And Demi, you speak Hindi little bit?
No, not at all.
We can like ask you to speak Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. That's all I
She
know.
can speak English for sure.
English, yes, but Hindi, I don't know any, but if you teach me, I'm willing to learn.
So you can say हम भारत से प्यार करते हैं. So हम,
What does that mean?
that means I love India.
Okay. हम
भारत से
भारत से
प्यार
प्यार
करते हैं.
करते हैं.
Wow, great.
Did I say that right?
Demi, what do you want to say about the contestants from India? Like you have obviously competed in the last year's pageant. What are the contestants from India like? Are they confident? And any words on the Indian contestants?
I got to be a judge last night at the pageant, and I got to learn more about the girls early on. I got to meet them personally and have conversations with them. And one of the comments I made was, wow, this is such a beautiful group of women, but they are so personable, so intelligent, so many of them are really well educated, a lot in male-dominant industries that are software engineers, and so that really impressed me a lot, and I think that speaks a lot about the platform of Miss Universe and the platform that they provide. So I was so impressed, such a stunning group of girls, and India, you can be really proud of your winner.
So basically she states one thing, that pageants are not only about beauty, glamour and all that stuff. It's an overall thing there. We have software engineers as she stated, we have sports enthusiasts, we have lawyers, we have doctors, so it's an overall thing.
Entrepreneurs, businesswomen.
That's it.
Are you guys mesmerized by Miss Universe's beauty?
I think it's the other way around.
And Demi, Bollywood is popular all over world in the film industry. So you watching any Indian films and you know any Indian actor?
Well, I know Priyanka Chopra. I know her. Well, I don't know her personally, but and of course Aishwarya Rai, and she's from India.
India.
She's Indian, yes. But I don't speak Hindi, so I haven't watched any
Indian movies.
Yes, but I do think Indian women are absolutely beautiful.
But that shows
and
such a
actors.
great representation Priyanka Chopra
Yes.
is of Indian.
And any male actor?
No, I'll be very honest, I don't.
Okay.
थैंक यू ज्यादा फोटो की फोटो
Thank you.
टेबल हटाने का
We're just in the Miss Diva organization. Thank you so much for having me here. It's been such an honor, and to
किया। मेरा